You're doing what?
Vlogmas.
Vlog? What?
Vlogmas. Giving you an insight into the influencer space works in the luxury sector. Parents just tested, they were down with COVID. Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I woke up early, but it's one of those days जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा बिस्तर पे लिटते लिटते एंड जस्ट प्रेप करते करते फ़ोन पे emails कोऑर्डिनेट करते करते I have gotten out of bed a little bit late. Trying to get my things together over here because today is going to be a pretty mad day. The title may have already told you. I'm getting under eye fillers today. This is something I've really been wanting to do. I think last vlog में हमने इसे काफ़ी discuss किया था. In fact, one second, side note. Last vlog basically for me went up last night and I'm so happy with the kind of response you guys gave to it. थोड़ा सा लंबा था. It was around 30-35 minutes, but you know I barely cut anything out. I want to do more vlogs like that. This vlog is probably going to be like that also. Have it, watch it while having dinner. Just let me keep it real. I don't want to make cuts. I don't want to extensively stylize these vlogs. I'd rather you guys know what I'm doing behind the scenes, and I'd rather you guys know what's really going on in my life. Stories पे भी मैंने कल रात को पूछा था कि what do you want to ask me about the vlog, and quite a few people messaged me saying which vlog are you referring to, because I said a few things in the last vlog. I wasn't referring to just one creator, guys. This actually landed up happening with quite a few creators. In fact, there were some creators who I even sent stuff to after they selected shades and stuff, because मैं सबको बोल रही हूँ shades select करने के लिए, मुझे किसी को ऐसे ही नहीं भेजना because बहुत wasteful हो जाता है. When I receive so much of PR and I know that these are shades I'm barely going to wear, I'll end up actually using 2 or 3 shades from a collection. I know how wasteful it is. Like wasteful in the sense, I try to do with it what I can, like give it to friends, do giveaways, let my friends and family pick from it, Parukala pick from it because she has daughters and sisters and stuff like that. But a fact of the matter is it is a small brand. I can't afford to just randomly give away a lot of things, and if I'm going to give you lipsticks then I may as well have you select shades. And I have had surprisingly quite a few people also select shades and give me like zero support, which I can't go and be like तुमने lipstick लिया है तो मेरे लिए कुछ stories तो कर दो. I can't do that because that's just not good brand ethic. That's cheap. But I did it out of good faith that I would get support, which unfortunately has not really converted to me as a business. And I'll keep in mind the next time मैं उन लोगों को नहीं भेजूँगी PR, because next time मैं learn कर चुकी हूँ कि मुझे कौन actually support करने वाला है नहीं. So I think that the last time वाला vlog was a really good precedent. And I will try to keep stuff like that from now on. Super real, super raw. I keep trying to do that through my content anyway, but I guess now I take you with me even today through the next couple of days, because अभी हमें एक event के लिए जाना है. I really have to start getting ready for that. I need to dry shampoo my hair. 1 second. And then I really need to, let me try and keep the camera here. नहीं, मुझे नाश्ते के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलेगा आज, बिकॉज चाय पी लूँगी लेकिन मुझे नाश्ते के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. मैं थोड़ा काम कर रही थी बिस्तर में लेटे लेटे फ़ोन पर, और मुझे नहीं लगता है कि मुझे चाय के बियॉन्ड कुछ भी करने के लिए टाइम मिलेगा. सॉरी टू स्टमक ऑल्सो. चाय पी लूँगी लेकिन मुझे पहले मेकअप कर लेना है. हाँ, मुझे तैयार होते होते कर लूँ. परफेक्ट. So what was I telling you? Yeah, so basically today is going to be a really hectic day. I don't know why this light is randomly blowing out. मैंने कैमरा की सेटिंग को ऑटोमेटिक पे रखा हुआ है. And the point is that I am going to go for an event. I'm really excited for this Gucci event because they're basically launching like a limited edition festive bag. I think it's going to be like one of those Diwali bags, limited edition festive bags, because they have done that in the past. I've never like collaborated with Gucci. I've never like worked with Gucci in the sense they've never sent me a bag or anything. I've bought one Gucci bag. The only luxury bag I own is a Gucci bag. If you've seen my Cannes film festival vlog, you'll see that वहाँ पे मैंने जाके खरीदा हुआ था, and it was not an impulsive purchase, but it was something that I did decide वहीं पर in Cannes. I went on day 1, I went on day 2, day 3, day 4. Finally, I was like, you know what, रोज आके यहाँ पे देख रही हूँ, ले ही लेती हूँ, because my heart is set on it. And I bought the Gucci Dionysus, which I'm pretty sure you guys have seen me use a bunch of times. Today, however, because I want to create some luxury content, you know, I'll end up doing luxury beauty content, but luxury fashion content I do only once in a while. I used to do a lot of luxury fashion content. One of the facts, by the way, about luxury fashion content in India is that it does not pay you at all. Most luxury brands in India don't pay influencers. There are few of them that will like give you a bag or a pair of shoes or like basically merchandise from their catalog instead. And initially I used to do it when my blogging wasn't my full-time job. After a point I actually stopped saying yes to those things. In the sense luxury नहीं होता था वो time पे, उस time पे luxury beauty ज़्यादा होता था, fashion picked up later. But even with luxury beauty I started saying no after a point because I realized that now this is my full-time job and I cannot have lipsticks and foundations pay my bills for me. Like वो हो ही नहीं रहा था. मुझे भिगा के दोगे please? भिगा के दो ना. हाँ रखो ना. ये vlog है, तुम इसमें बात कर सकते हो. ब्यूटी वीडियो में तुम हमेशा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो. I mentioned this in the last vlog also. Parukala gets confused when she can and can't talk while I'm recording. It's kind of cute. As I say this, I realize that I've gotten up, taken a shower, and I've forgotten to brush. Oh my god, I'm gonna brush and be right back. What was I saying? I forgot. क्या हुआ? फेंक सकते हो. Yeah, so I was saying that I used to do a lot of like luxury makeup associations at one point and I stopped doing them after a point. I received PR from them. Receiving PR is very different from doing work for them. Work for them basically means I have to commit to deliverables and this and that. Instead of giving me money, they're giving me products. But when I realized that ये मेरा full-time job है and this is not a viable business model, I pay my own bills. I've paid my own bills since I was 17, 18 years old. I stopped taking money when I was 17, 18 years old. My parents obviously used to give me pocket money since childhood till then. I realized it's not happening. And I guess because of that, at some point, I stopped working with even like, I never like did work with the fashion people because they realized कि मेरे साथ काम करने के लिए they would have had to pay me and I wouldn't just do stuff for bags. But today I feel, alhamdulillah, I feel comfortable to say that if some of these brands did come to me and if I genuinely like the brands that I'm thinking about while saying this, I wouldn't mind doing some work for them because I realized that this is just the nature of the way the business is in India. It's sad that this is only how it is in India as compared to overseas, but then as a business I also try and think that the ratio of people that convert in India, unfortunately, is far lesser than that overseas. There's a lot in India, but it's probably lesser than overseas. And that's why they actually have budgets. What I don't agree with is that they pay magazines for ads, but they don't have money for influencers. And that to me is, I find that a little bit weird. Because fact of the matter is that if you have money to spend and you're getting the job done, then you should be fair and equal. If they weren't paying anyone at all, then I would completely understand it. Anywho, my point is that for certain brands that I like, I'm willing to do content on my own because today, alhamdulillah, I feel comfortable enough to be able to be like, हाँ ठीक है, मुझे ये पसंद है. I will say yes and no. But that's not what Gucci is today. It's not an association. It's just an event invite and you guys have met Devesh in all my videos and a bunch of my videos and stuff, and you know he works with me full time. He's been a full-time employee with me for a couple of years now, and he helps me shoot all my stuff when I need the help. He helps me edit when I need to edit. I absolutely love him. He's one of like the nicest boys I've ever worked with, one of the most decent boys I've ever worked with. So he's coming along with me for the event today because I decided that I went for a different Gucci event a couple of weeks ago, and obviously my content was all phone shot and all. So I decided that today, since I'm going there and since it's Diwali and they've said, oh, you can come in Indian attire and stuff, I'll take some photos over there. थोड़ा सा content हो जाएगा मेरे लिए. So yeah, that's where I'm coming from. Given you an insight into, a little bit of an insight at least, I think, into how the influencer space works in the luxury sector. It's really easy to look at people's feeds and be like, wow, this girl works with so-and-so brand and so-and-so brand. But the fact of the matter is that, you know, so-and-so brand is probably not paying her. And in my opinion, as someone, like people who come from extreme privilege, I'm so happy for them, good for them. I'm not jealous at all. I'm actually really happy for them. But I know that I'm not in the position to do that. And I'll acknowledge that with an open heart, that, you know, I can't rely on just receiving goodies and bags, because at some point, while of course I know working for all of these luxury brands is really cool and really great because हमारे feed पे दिखता है, portfolio पे दिखता है, that pulls in other brands also. You know, the space is very थोड़ा बहुत काफी दिखावे के भी बारे में है कि जो दिखता है that pulls in more business. But the fact of the matter is that at some point I also realized that those are really high production shoots, and I'm not sure how much of it I'm just willing to keep doing for free. One off few here and there is great. I did this really cool thing with Christian Louboutin a few months ago because that particular collection I saw and I fell in love with. So I told them, listen, I love this current collection. I want to come and do a shoot. And they have a beautiful store here in Bombay. Sorry, I'm like moving around while doing my makeup. They have this beautiful store in Bombay. I went with my team to that store. We shot over there and I posted it and I got nothing in exchange, like I didn't get a bag, I didn't get shoes, I didn't get anything. It's literally just something I did because I loved those pieces, I loved that collection, and mujhe laga ki this will be really interesting for me to do. Oh my god. So Divyesh just helped me figure out how to put this car mount thing in the camera. I can now officially vlog in the camera while I'm driving without. Remember पिछले vlog में मैंने नीचे रखा था सीट पे and मैं सोच रही थी is this gonna fall, is this gonna fall, is this gonna fall? Well, now I bought this car mount a while ago. I just did not know what to do with it. And now I know what to do with it. Thanks, Divyesh. I'm not driving today. Divyesh is driving today. I actually put out a Q&A thing on stories. I actually want to sit and reply to people there. So I'm going to do that. And Divyesh really enjoys driving. No, Divyesh?
Yeah.
So he's driving and I'm doing Q&A. I also enjoy driving, but I miss doing like stuff while I'm driving. So this is like a win-win for both of us. Hello. Okay, so we just came out of the Gucci event. Took lots of really cool pictures and stuff. It was all so nice. They gave us a few mithais when we left. By the way, I can try and move it, right? Will it move? I don't know if... And it's very tight. There. Itna tak hi aa raha hai. That's Divyesh. It's barely moving. Gonna take some time to get used to this mount thing. You know, I didn't have nashta today. You guys saw I was in such a rush in the morning. I barely had 2 sips of chai and tab tak thandi ho gayi thi, and because of this newfound acidity problem that has become a joke between Divyesh and me, because he was laughing at how I didn't know what acidity is. Oh, should I open it ulta? Oops. I'm really hungry and I haven't had breakfast, so I think I'm gonna have some of the mithai. Kaun sa khayega Divyesh? There's hazelnut besan laddu, there is malai peda.
Anything.
Say na. Hello, I'm back home. I was really like feeling giddy. Still am feeling a little bit giddy. Literally came home. I've changed my clothes. I'm wearing a kaftan and had lunch. For lunch today I had aloo ki bhaji, but instead of having it with like roti or something, I made a sandwich out of it and had it. And when I say I made a sandwich, I mean to say I asked Taro Khala to make a sandwich. I'm feeling so lightheaded even now. I just asked her to make me some adrak wali chai, and here it is. Sam and Payal are working over here, and there's a little bit of an issue with me working. Basically, जब से verified का काम शुरू हुआ है, we needed one laptop over there just to shoot prints, and Jerry has been taking Divyesh's laptop over there. But edit work cannot stop and work cannot stop. So because of that, Divyesh is using my laptop to edit, and I'm laptop-less. It's not fun. So we're trying to figure a solution for this. We might need to buy one more laptop, like in the sense, we're probably going to send this laptop that Sam is using, which was Dhwani's laptop basically while she was here. It's basically new. It's like a year and a half old. We're probably going to send this laptop to the office, buy Sam a new laptop, and that way I get my laptop back and Divyesh gets his laptop back. In case you're wondering why Jerry can't use his own laptop, it's because he did not listen to me. He instead of getting a laptop, I bought him an iPad with a keyboard. This was literally early this year. Was it early this year or was it last year? I think it was last year now when Jerry got an iPad, and he was like, oh, I don't want a laptop anymore in life. And I was like, this is going to come and bite us in the bum. Don't do that. We will always need a proper computer. iPad se sirf kaam nahi chalega. And he was like, nahi, it's all good for me. Mera kaam ho jayega. Moral of the story, he should have listened to his wife. My head is hurting so much. I have to do a couple of other things also. and then take my makeup off before going for the under eye fillers. It is 4:10 p.m. right now, and and I need to go for my fillers. It's a 6 p.m. appointment, so I'll leave the house by 5:30 p.m. Really my head is just hurting, like it's blasting from inside. दिवेश तेरा सर दुख रहा है, तेरे को भी हो रहा है? इसके लिए तो नॉट कर रहा था. क्या दवाई ले रहा है? मुझे दवाई नहीं लेनी है, लेकिन तेरा भी सर दुख रहा है. मेरा क्यों दुख रहा है?
हीट बहुत है बाहर.
पर हम तो एसी में थे. क्या हीट बहुत है?
एसी और प्लस होती है.
पर हम तो इंडोर थे ना, यानी यहाँ से we went in the car in the AC. In the AC we went to the Gucci event. वो ऐसे अंदर से एकदम ब्लास्ट हो रहा है, दुख रहा है अंदर से. लेकिन मैं दवाई भी नहीं ले सकती क्योंकि मुझे पेन किलर खाने से मना किया है आई फिलर के पहले. सो आई हैव अ लिस्ट ऑफ डूज एंड डोंट्स. आई विल गो अहेड एंड लिस्ट देम फॉर यू ओवर हियर. दिस इज बेसिस व्हाट डॉक्टर हर्षना टोल्ड मी लास्ट टाइम. एंड मैं तो पेन किलर भी नहीं ले सकती क्योंकि मुझे मना किया है. एंड आई एम नॉट इवन अ फैन ऑफ पेन किलर्स, इन द सेंस कि जब तक मुझे ज़रूरत एब्सोल्युटली नहीं पड़ी मैं पिल्स ऐसे ही पॉप नहीं करती. तेरा भी सर दुख रहा है तो तू जल्दी चले जाना फिर घर पे. Hello, namaste, welcome to the unflattering angle of the year, because I usually keep my tripod over here and then the camera there or phone there if I'm doing stories in the bathroom or something. By the way, have I shown you guys these new shelves I added in the bathroom? ये इतना बड़ा नहीं है, ये mirror का reflection है. Please don't look at that. It starts from here where my hand is now. This is the mirror and comes till here. And some people may or may not have called it a pharmacy on Instagram. My headache is slightly better. Divyesh and me both. I think it's that heat in and out wala system. फिलहाल मैं bathroom में खड़ी हूँ because I have to take my makeup off before going to Dr. Harshana's clinic. I cannot go for under eye fillers with a face full of makeup. Duh. But I want to keep my brows on because I freaking love my brows today. Does this look okay? This is Janice. You know why she's Janice? Because every time I look at her and she appears, she's a stress pimple. She's not a period pimple. I finished my period a couple of days ago. Every time I see her, I go, oh my god. I don't think I said that correctly, so we're just gonna insert the real Janice over here. On our way to Dr. Harshana's clinic. So excited to do this, you guys. So I'm doing this kind of in association with Restylane, the brand that makes the fillers, and I'm really excited to try it out. I was only gonna document this for my Instagram, but obviously, like, I'm not gonna leave my YouTube fam behind. So the whole vlog experience is happening here as well. I'm really excited, but I'm also just a touch nervous. लिप्स के ऊपर तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी दर्द नहीं हुआ. It was completely no pain, except I could feel like a couple of pokes, but that's totally normal. It didn't pain. It was like just a titchki, if that's the right way of describing it. With under eyes, I'm a touch nervous, and that's just because it's under eyes and I have a really low threshold for pain and all of that. But Dr. Harshana is one of the best in the business, and I'm excited to have. So guess what? I was talking to you guys and my memory card got full and we had to take a roundabout. Thankfully घर की ही गली में वो हुआ और पता चल गया कि memory card full हो गया, and we had to go back, pick up the memory card pouch, which we don't usually take because normally हमारे cards में बहुत जगह होती है. And now we have extra memory cards and all of that. Now I'm rushing because we need to be there in the next 9 minutes. Okay, there are no injection shots right now. I'll give you a timestamp for that. Don't worry about it. Basically, the procedure was super painless. They numbed me down, gave me anesthesia. The entire process from end to end took under 30 minutes. Restylane, by the way, is the same brand that reached out to me for the lip fillers, which didn't end up working out a few months ago. I think I mentioned this when I got my lip fillers. I'm so glad I get to try out my under eye fillers with them. The procedure was mostly painless. I'm not going to say it was completely painless, but at the same time, it was very, very well worth it. The experience was so good and I really like how the before and after felt like. Stay tuned to watch the comparison side by side. Just in case you're wondering what the cost is, I checked with Dr. Harshana's clinic. It's 28,500 rupees per vial and we use around 1.5 to 2 vials on my eyes. after from the process, I came back home and just rested it out yesterday. बताती हूँ क्यों? Because when I came home, my face was definitely hurting quite a bit. The numbness was clearly going away, and I could start feeling like a little bit of like heaviness sensation basically यहाँ पे and यहाँ पे. One thing that Dr. Harshana did was really nice. So typically when people do under eye fillers, she said they put the injection straight from like the under eye area, but that skin is really thin. So she said I'm gonna go in from the cheeks. A couple of times when I did open my eyes during the procedure, I noticed that the needle was really big. So I asked her if I can just keep my eyes closed throughout the treatment. I'm not scared of needles or anything like that, but looking at such a big needle that also come onto my face was a little bit of an intimidating sight. I'm not going to lie. So if you look really closely, I'm going to try and pull you in. एक second. So if you look really closely, ये तो हमारा pimple है, इसे छोड़ दो. There's one injection mark here, one here, and one here. I don't think this one is showing on the camera because it's really small. And similarly, basically, she's taken 3 points on both sides, and she's injected me from the cheek with a large, like tall, big syringe needle instead of just going into the under eye. Because she said if you go in directly from the under eye, there's a higher chance of bruising, which I have not bruised at all, as you can see. Alhamdulillah. And she said recovery time might be more if you land up bruising, if you like go into the injections from there. So we went a little bit back and forth yesterday. She did some, and then she went back and filled some more and then balanced it out. Today, if you can see, it looks really natural. It looks really like one of those things जहाँ पे कोई देख कर नहीं बोलेगा अरे this face looks like a filler face. Not that there's anything wrong with a filler face. If people want to go ahead and do extreme fillers, that's their choice. I don't judge. For me, I want to use these procedures to enhance my face and not look like a different person, which reminds me, on my previous video where I told you guys I was considering this and यहाँ का consult था and all, I got a comment that really stayed with me of somebody saying things like plastic surgery and toxic levels of beauty. Ji nahi, let me clarify that straight up. These are not plastic surgeries. Plastic surgeries are permanent procedures, permanent surgeries, as the name says. These are called injectables. These are like getting your nails done. They last for a few weeks or a few months depending on what you're doing. And then they dissolve into your skin because it's basically hyaluronic based. Hyaluronic acid जो होता है, जो moisturizers में होता है, it's basically made of hyaluronic. So this is not permanent. These are not considered plastic surgeries. Secondly, it would be a toxic standard of positivity if I was not disclosing this to you. I feel like if I wake up one fine day and say, oh, and lie, and this is my skincare routine, and this is what I'm doing, and that's why my dark circles have become half of what they were, that is toxic because that is lying. I'm not. I'm trying out things that people in the beauty industry have been trying out for decades. I'm simply letting you in on the secret. If you don't want to do it, please don't do it. By no means am I telling you you need to go do this. I wanted to do it, and I feel like too many people do these procedures छुप के and नहीं बता के, and मुझे वैसे नहीं करना. अगर मुझे कुछ try करना है तो मुझे वो ट्राई करके आपको बताना है, so that just in case this is something you've been interested in and intimidated by for whatever reason, I'm here to break those myths for you by sheer experience. Just the way I do with skincare products or makeup products, I try it and review it for you. In my head, this is the same category of things, just that these are not products, they're services. So no, there's no toxic. When I pull my cheeks up, it's still like hurting a little bit. They said that that feeling, that little heavy feeling, like when I'm smiling right now, I can feel like the gel or like whatever, that stiffness inside. They said usko 1-2 दिन दो. I actually have a post care sheet यहाँ पे which was given to me. Basically, I can rub Fluidy cream twice a day on the injected areas. I'm allowed to have a combi clam. I was not allowed to have an aspirin before, or even now I think for a bit, although I don't really pop pills, so that's fine. I was asked to not have green tea. You guys, I gave you the list of do's and don'ts before, but now for the post care, they've just told me to apply ice if there's any swelling. Thankfully, I have no swelling, I have no bruising. They said avoid working out. I have been avoiding working out for a while, safe to say. They said don't take a steam because steam pores gel inside and all of that. Very basic stuff basically. But this is what the after looks like. कल मेरी तबीयत बिल्कुल भी ठीक नहीं लग रही थी मुझे. दिव्येश and I both fell ill. Divyesh was feeling a little bit feverish in fact. So I was in fact telling him कि घर चले जाओ, मत करो. Payal will come and do the camera work to help me vlog and all of that. But he insisted that नहीं मैं करूँगा, and then he went home. Today he's not coming into work. आज Friday है. He's not coming into work, and the thing is he's feeling a little guilty. See, this is why I love my team. They're all really like responsible for themselves. आज Friday है और Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday उसकी leave है. Like he had applied for leave a while ago because he's going to the Golden Temple. He's going to Amritsar. You know the Golden Temple has been on my list also for really long now. I was telling him मैं भी चलती हूँ. Obviously I can't because of work, but he was feeling really guilty कि अरे I've fallen sick and then weekend है and then 3 days off. I said don't worry, we'll manage. So he's not coming in. Payal is going to come in today. Sam is going to come in today. In fact, one of my friends, Faiza, who you guys have met, is probably going to come and work here post lunch because Friday hai and we thought we would play Monopoly and stuff like that in the night. So she said I won't come in the night. I'll come in the afternoon. So she'll stay here through the day. She'll work, have chai in the evening. We'll play some Mono. Maybe she'll stay for dinner. We'll figure it out. Omar may or may not come. Jerry literally just left for the warehouse. Just when I was starting to vlog, he was saying bye. And yeah, that's what's going on. When I'm pulling my face up, it's hurting in the sense wo thoda sa feeling aa raha hai which pains a touch. But I think that will also subside in the next 1 or 2 days. They've told me not to get a face massage or press down on the fillers and all of that. Obviously, I will not do that. And Dr. Harshana said to me that within the next 4 to 5 days, I can actually go back because they hold on to the syringe, which has a little bit left over for a stipulated period of time. After which, obviously, they throw the syringe and they throw the product. She said, if at all, and this is something that we were going back and forth on majorly, फिलहाल हमने यहाँ तक का भरा है to just make it look like I'm awake and fresh. She was saying that it might look nice, but of course the hiccup is that we don't know how it will look with my face to completely fill it up. Now, basis my face shape, if you completely fill it up, there's a chance where it might just look little sujawa or like I've gained a lot of weight. I don't have a problem with that, to be honest, because I'm kind of curious to see how it would look if it's just flat. The idea is just to flatten this contour completely. On the other hand, I'm feeling कि ये काफ़ी natural है. वो भी natural ही लगेगा because her hand, I realized, is so good and so steady. So she said sleep over it, 2-3 दिन ले लो. You can even come back a week later if you want to fill this out. Just launched my own beauty brand. I'm calling it beauty brand, but the way I imagine it is more like a beauty and a lifestyle brand. And I obviously honestly would also say that the creator community has changed so much over the past decade. I've been doing this since 2011. It's been 10 years. It'll be 10 years for me in December. It's changed so much and it changes so fast every other year that I knew for a fact I wanted to build a brand that was, that had more deliberate sustenance. No, I'm happy to say it on the record. For me, I'm just a sucker for long form content. I miss long form content a little bit. I do enjoy my snackable content when I want something on the go, sure. I don't want to share numbers if that's okay, but let's just say that basis my projections, I think we've surpassed it way beyond. I would like to say that we've gotten like over 150% more than I would have expected. So I feel like I'm hopefully I'm just getting started, and I'm already working on my next few launches. So yeah, no, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I'm one of those मुझे सब कुछ करना है people. I just am. So far it has worked for me. I hope it does in the future also. But I just am one of those सब कुछ करना है people. And I feel like if I can be organized, I will be able to manage both sides of my, both facets of my career, I guess now. But no, the idea is not to stop being a creator at all. It's what I am first. There is so much I owe in my life to this industry, to this space, to everything I've built. It's just not something I would give away. It's just not something I would give up. It's not something I'm willing. Like my followers will always come first. Yeah, even before I think this is around the time when we had started seeing each other back in 2014. He said, you don't, you're creative like a creator, but you operate like a businesswoman. And it's something that I've always taken very seriously. I realized this is my profession. It's not something that I'm willing to, it's just not something I'm willing to take lightly.
नहीं होगा ना
नहीं, तुम लोग का ज़्यादा होगा.
मैं ले जाऊंगा मंदिर मामा.
इतना ही है
राम तुम्हें तो भगवान ने भेजा है.
Say hi.
हो गया ना
Walmart.
so आज पहला
Omar is not saying hi.
Walmart.
baby bye dude.
Yes.
So he was trying to sell me that
आपको
Hi everyone, good morning. You can come, it's a vlog. Why did you stop? Everyone gets so worried about walking into my vlog. Say hi. It's Sunday noon, and Jerry and I need to leave in the next half an hour because we're going out for lunch. One of the things that we're actively trying to do right now is do things together apart from just work. That's become a little bit of a struggle because we've been working together since 2019, and as much as I love working and living with this weirdo, a lot of what we do lands up being surrounded by work, which is great for work, and it's great that we get to spend this much time together, but it's not the best for us as husband and wife, okay? Like, it's not the healthiest thing in the world. Literally, sometimes while going to sleep, one of us will say some work-related thing to the other, and the last thing that we would say to each other before going to sleep would be, love you, good night, love you, good night. So, we're really struggling. We're going through that little zone where we're struggling to find the balance at the moment. However, coming to the thing that I really want to share with you about what's happening on my face right now is those injection marks is pretty much like faded away or whatever. ये तो pimple का है. वो दिख नहीं रहे हैं अभी. Today is Sunday. We got the procedure done on Thursday, was it? Yeah, it was Thursday. And I really am pulling my camera forward, leaning towards the idea of just filling it up. Now, here's the thing. I'm really tempted to first see myself in makeup and then decide whether I want to fill it up or not. As of right now, I'm mostly leaning towards filling it up, and I'll tell you why also. I want to see myself in makeup. आज Sunday है. मुझे लगा था कि मैं आज makeup करूँगी, कुछ shoot करूँगी, लेकिन honestly वो Sunday feels काफ़ी set in हो रही है. So I don't think I will. I'm wearing this kaftan, by the way, which is from this brand called Dusk Attire. It's so comfy and cute. I'm wearing this to lunch, and I feel like I won't wear makeup when we go out for lunch. It's fine. I'm really comfortable stepping out with like zero makeup. I will make it a point to have like moisturizer, SPF on me, but I don't think I'll do any makeup. But tomorrow, when I know I have to shoot, because like I need to get content going, I will see myself and then decide and figure. But as of right now, like a 90% part of my heart is saying, कर लो, एक बार में कर लो. And there was a very interesting DM I got. If I find it, I'll pull up a screenshot. She basically said, अब इतना किया है, try कर रहे हो तो पूरी तरह से करके देख लो. And I really liked that thought. That was my thought, but she summed it up really well, because it's coming all the way till here now. I feel like if I just focus on filling a little bit more here, it might be interesting to see. And if it doesn't work, it'll dissolve in a while. Like it's like having a bad manicure. Like, I really like the way my nails are looking in general, but I also realize that this is not really my style. Also, in the light that I got my nails done in, it looked like I was opting for a brown polish, but it's actually a really deep wine maroon polish. So I'm gonna paint over my nails. So it's okay, these things happen. You try different things, and sometimes they work, sometimes they don't work. This definitely does work, but I'm tempted to just go one step further and see what it would be like to have absolutely no hollows. मुझे ना ऐसे ट्राई करने की बड़ी खुजली है. I feel like I like trying all of these things. It makes me like, मैं ये वाला लाइट चालू करती हूँ एक सेकंड. Is that better? Yeah. Oh my god. So see this, मैं इसकी बात कर रही हूँ. Like ये जो यहाँ से है ना clean है, यहाँ पे बहुत hollow है. So maybe if she just gives me that little dose over here, because my syringe is, my vial is still with her. कल रात को मैंने Instagram stories पे ये करके रखा था कि okay I'm doing vlogmas, because yesterday basically in talking about in real time as of today and all, I published the video about my makeup haul on YouTube, okay, and उसके start में मैंने पूछा था that should I do the vlogmas and all of that, and so many of you were very kind to comment and say vlogmas करना and all of that. तो मैंने Instagram stories पे भी जाके मैंने ये किया है कि what sort of videos do you want to see in vlogmas, because I want to do mix of vlogs and other content, right? ऐसे तो नहीं हो सकता कि मेरे दिन का, मेरे life का हर दिन interesting हो आपको दिखाने के लिए. There's admin work and all of that which doesn't make sense in me vlogging it, because you'll just get, what will you watch? You'll get bored. So I'm gonna obviously pre-make a set of content in November if I'm gonna do vlogmas, and I'll keep vlogging as well. So जहाँ पे भी मुझे interesting vlogs days हैं मेरी life के, I'll make those vlogs, but otherwise I'll keep a backup of a lot of like content, non-vlog content, which I know I can upload, because 25 back-to-back videos. Literally, kid you not, 80% of the responses on Instagram were vlogs. I'm like, guys, I will do vlogs. Of course I'll do vlogs. I love vlogs. Look at me sitting here having a cup of chai, talking to my camera. I love it because I know that I feel like I'm talking to you. You know, when I read those comments that say, oh my god, I feel like I'm sitting with a friend, or I was sitting with you in the car, or whatever. I feel like I'm sitting with you also. This is two ways. ये दोनों तरफ, like literally दोनों तरफा है. And that sounds so Bollywood, दोनों तरफा है. But you get what I'm trying to say. But I'm like, what if my days are not that interesting in December? Then what? So I need to create content and keep. Okay, I'm gonna go now. मुझे मम्मी को फ़ोन करना है. My parents just tested negative from COVID. They were down with COVID for a while. Mama, Papa, and my bhabhi. And I want to go call my mom. Actually, what's the time? She could have woken up. Mummy sleeps in, especially on Sundays. So I'll call Papa. If not Mama, I'll figure. Yeah, the last couple of weeks have been insane. See you थोड़ी देर में from the car. Hello. Jerry, you are seeing our camera setup for the first time. What do you think of it?
Interesting.
Interesting?
Interesting.
You approve?
Okay.
फ्रेम में आओ ना, थोड़ा ऐसे बाहर क्यों बैठे हो? Actually, I couldn't. I was trying to figure out कि इसको कितना रोटेट करते हैं, इसका एंगल क्या है? Because the first time, this is only the second time. The first time we put it, Divyesh did it, so he was showing me कि ऐसे करो. It's cool, no? So I don't need to like pay attention. Last time I tried to vlog with the phone, I made it sit on the seat next to me where you are in the last vlog, and I was like, गिरने वाला, और गिरा भी एक दो बार ऐसे, like
तो
almost.
सीट बेल्ट पहना देते. And how do you make the phone sit on the seat?
Like
Do
in
you
the sense.
tell her, sit down, girl, like that.
Such rubbish ना, such rubbish. मैं ऐसे इतना स्माइल करने थे यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा I'm still feeling sore, हल्का सा. When I pull my cheeks up एकदम स्माइल करने के लिए. So this is so nice and effortless that उसको एक बार वहाँ पे डाल दो and then forget about it. And I can just keep talking to them ना. Because, oh by the way, did I tell you I'm doing Vlogmas this year?
You're doing what?
Vlogmas.
Vlog? What?
Vlogmas. You know what Vlogmas is, Jerry? You don't know what
Sit when you miss a vlog?
You're such a little...
What is a
Vlog-
vlogmas?
Vlogmas is like starting uploading vlogs every single day all the way till Christmas. So basically from 1st of December to 25th of
Vlogmas.
Vlogmas.
Just like Christmas.
Einstein.
Oh, you said vlogmas.
Like it's... You don't say Christmas, no? You say Christmas.
No, you don't say Christmas. It's not Christmas.
Christmas? You mean kishmish?
Yeah.
Okay, you understood what I'm trying to say, right? Vlogmas. Mazza. guess it is. It's like around 10 p.m. I've finished dinner and dessert. I've been very, very, very addicted in my life to ice cream from Baskin Robbins. This is not a sponsored plug at all, I promise. And I've been having the Bavarian chocolate with a waffle cone every night for the past week. It's been insane. Anyway, update on today's day after I spoke to you guys last from I guess from Fu. We were out there for lunch. It's just like about 10 minutes from my Nani's house, so I went and checked in on Nani. Nani is she's old and she doesn't keep well all the time, so I try to swing by her house whenever I can. If you have old grandparents, just try and catch whatever time with them that you can. I wish she lived closer, to be honest. And we've tried to get her to move closer, but she loves her house too much. I spent some time there with her. I didn't want to vlog because, you know, she's old and she's in her zone and she was in her 90s, so I kind of want to respect her privacy on that front over there. But it's always so nice just to catch some time with family whenever you can. I'm especially feeling weird about not being able to spend time with family because my parents have been in quarantine for a while. 3-4 more days for them to come out of it. Even though they've tested negative, I'm not going to see them just to be on the safe side. I cannot afford to fall sick in general, let alone COVID, and let alone the fact that I'm going through this really insane period with so many things happening at the moment. We're between hires, we're between replacements, there's so much going on. But I wanted to come in and say thank you to you for hanging out with me, for watching this vlog. My vlogs of late are becoming a little bit longer because I think that I'm personally enjoying the vibe of you guys just hanging out with me, and based on the comments I'm seeing, I guess you guys are enjoying the stuff as well. Khana khate hue dekh liya karo mere vlogs. I guess that's one way to look at it. Today is Sunday night, so I thought of kind of ending this vlog here. I think, now I have not yet seen my face with makeup on, which I will tomorrow, but I think we're gonna go back and fill up the corners with a little half a vial that I have left of the product of Restylane. So I think that's gonna happen. If that does happen, you will know in the next vlog. Give me your thoughts of what you thought of this vlog down below in the comments. I think I should also go back to doing my regular WearFam comment shout outs that I used to, and since I haven't looked any up at the moment, I'm just gonna go over and leave one on the screen over here right now. If you want to be in the next shout out, don't forget to leave your comment with the hashtag WearFam. That's very, very important. And yeah, come back and hang out with me when I upload my next video. I am officially doing Vlogmas. I started making notes of things since the last upload, and all of the thoughts and discussion about it happened in the comment section. And oh, by the way, this evening, wow, I forget to mention things sometimes. This evening I didn't keep my camera rolling or anything, but I met 2 of my friends. They came home for chai, and I didn't want to keep the camera rolling or anything because we were talking about, like, even in time-lapse mode, because we were talking about one of their upcoming shadi and things like that. So I have 2 friends' weddings happening. Like, one couple's getting married in December and this other couple's getting married in March, and all are really close friends of mine, so I'm super excited for these upcoming shadis. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Good night. Have a great day, evening, week ahead, depending on whenever you're watching this. I will try and upload this vlog ASAP.